Most people don't have an anxiety problem. They have an attention problem. They donate attention to people who don't deserve it. They pay emotional taxes to opinions that don't matter. They let one comment ruin an entire day. And then they call it being sensitive. No, it's being overinvested. In this video, I'll show you how to build an unbothered mind. Not cold, not numb, not arrogant, just stable. Because when you stop caring what random people think, your energy comes back, your focus comes back, and your life gets quiet again. Let's start with the truth, why opinions feel so heavy. Here's why people's opinions hit you so hard. Because your brain treats social approval like survival. Thousands of years ago, being rejected by your group meant danger. So your nervous system still reacts to disapproval like it's physical threat. That's why criticism feels like attack. Embarrassment feels like pain. Being ignored feels like punishment. Being judged feels like exposure. But here's what changed. Today, you can be disliked by someone you'll never meet again, and your body reacts like you just got kicked out of the tribe. That's the mismatch. The modern world gives you endless feedback. Comments, likes, views, reactions, messages, silence. Your nervous system wasn't built for constant evaluation. So, if you want to become unbothered, you don't think positive. You upgrade your mental system, the real enemy, unpaid attention. Let me say this clearly. Most stress is unpaid attention. Attention is a currency. Where you spend it grows. If you spend attention on judgment, you grow anxiety. If you spend attention on comparison, you grow insecurity. If you spend attention on defending yourself, you grow exhaustion. Your mind becomes unbothered the moment you stop giving attention away for free. And there are two types of attention. Intentional attention stare. You choose it. It serves you. Hijacked attention. Someone else triggers it, it drains you. An unbothered mind is simply this. Less hijacked attention, more intentional attention. Now I'll show you how. The unbothered framework. You're going to use a simple framework. A, C, T, audit, control, train. A, audit, see where you leak attention. C, control, install filters and boundaries. T, train, build identity that doesn't need approval. This is not a mindset quote. It's a system. Let's start with the audit. Audit your triggers. Most people don't know what triggers them. They just react. So do this for 24 hours. Whenever your mood changes, ask, what did my attention touch? Examples. You saw someone living a lifestyle you want, comparison. Someone replied coldly, rejection. Someone didn't reply, uncertainty. Someone criticized you, ego injury. Someone laughed, social fear. Now label it. One word. Comparison. Rejection. Uncertainty. Ego. Control. This is important because you can't control what you don't name. And most emotional suffering is unnamed. It's just noise. Once you name the trigger, you can shrink it. Control tool has shown. The 24-hour filter. Here is the first filter that builds emotional immunity. Before reacting, ask, will this matter in 24 hours? If the answer is no, then your reaction is a waste of energy. Most online opinions will not matter in 24 hours. Most awkward moments will not matter in 24 hours. Most what if they think thoughts will not matter in 24 hours. So stop paying them. A calm mind is just a mind that refuses small payments. But some things do matter. So we need a second filter. Control tool 2, the good faith filter. Ask this: is this person acting in good faith? Good faith means they want understanding. Bad faith means they want control, attention, drama, or superiority. If someone is acting in bad faith, you don't need to explain. You don't need to defend. You don't need to prove, because explanation doesn't convert bad faith. It feeds it. This is where most people lose peace. They try to be understood by people who enjoy misunderstanding them. An unbothered person understands this quickly. Not every mind deserves access to your mind. Now, the third filter, control tool 3, the return on energy filter. Ask: if I respond, what do I gain? Do you gain clarity, resolution, peace, progress, or do you gain nothing? Many responses are emotional gambling. You spend energy hoping to win respect, but respect can't be begged into existence. So here's the rule: if the return is low, don't invest. Silence is not avoidance. Silence is financial intelligence. Now let's talk about the biggest trap: overthinking. Overthinking detox. Overthinking is emotional addiction disguised as problem solving. You replay conversations. You imagine what they meant. You draft responses in your head. You predict worst-case scenarios. You rehearse future embarrassment, and none of it changes reality. It just burns energy. So here's the method: the name and drop method. When overthinking starts, do 3 steps. Name it. This is fear. This is ego. This is control. This is insecurity. 2. Shrink it. This thought is not a command, it's a suggestion. 3. Drop it into action. Do something physical. Stand up, drink water, write 1 line, clean 1 thing, open your project. Why? Because overthinking feeds on stillness. Movement breaks the loop. Your brain can't spiral as easily when your body is moving with purpose. Now, boundaries. Boundaries that make you unbothered. Most people think boundaries are aggressive. No, boundaries are short. Here are 3 unbothered boundaries that work in almost any situation. 1. The 2-sentence boundary. I hear you. I'm not discussing this. No debate, no explanation. 2. The delay boundary. I'll respond later. Not right now. This stops emotional urgency. 3. The exit boundary. I'm going to step away. Then you step away. The exit boundary is the strongest one because it ends the transaction. Here's the key: unbothered people don't fight for peace. They choose peace. And choice is power. But you also need identity, because if you don't have internal standards, you'll always need external approval. Train your identity, internal scoreboard. The biggest reason you care what people think is because you don't fully trust what you think about yourself. So you outsource your value. You wait for permission, likes, praise, attention, validation, reassurance. An unbothered person builds an internal scoreboard. Instead of asking, what do they think? You ask, did I do what I said I would do? Did I act with discipline today? Did I respect my boundaries? Did I stay calm under pressure? Did I improve even 1%? That's the scoreboard. When you live on an internal scoreboard, external opinions become background noise, because you're not performing for strangers. You're building yourself. Now let's make this practical with real situations, real life situations. Situation 1, someone criticizes you publicly. Old you, defend, explain, argue, spiral. Unbothered you, pause, filter, decide. If it's good faith and useful, good point. I'll consider it. If it's bad faith, silence, or one line, noted, then you move on. Situation 2. Someone ignores your message. Old you, overthink, create stories, feel rejected. Unbothered you, maybe they're busy, maybe they don't care. Either way, you don't chase clarity from silence. You return attention to your life. Situation 3, someone tries to provoke you. Old you, reaction equals they win. Unbothered you, neutral face, short boundary, exit. Remember, provocation is a test. Your reaction is the reward. Don't reward it. Situation 4, comparison. Old you, I'm behind. Unbothered you, that's information, not identity. Use comparison as direction, not as poison. Now we close with a daily routine. Daily routine, 5 minutes to become unbothered. Morning, 1 minute. Ask, where will my attention go today? Pick one priority. During the day, 2 minutes total. Use the 3 filters. 24-hour filter, good faith filter, return on energy filter. Night 2, ask, where did I waste attention today? What boundary did I avoid? What one adjustment will I make tomorrow? That's it. Unbothered is not a personality. It's a practice. You don't need to be tougher. You need to be more selective. Because peace isn't found in controlling people. Peace is found in controlling attention. Less hijacked attention. More intentional attention. That's the unbothered mind. If you want more psychology like this, subscribe,